In this video, we are going to learn how you can automatically back up your WordPress website daily. So let's get started. As you can see, we have logged into our WordPress website admin dashboard. The first thing that we are going to do is install UpdraftPlus plugin. So what we're going to do is hover mouse over plugins and click on add plugin. Then we are going to search for UpdraftPlus. All right, here's the plugin. First, we're going to click on install now button and wait for the plugin to install. Once it's installed, we're going to click on the activate button to activate the plugin. Alright, the plugin has been installed and activated. Now, as you can see, we already have some backups because we already had UpdraftPlus installed on this website before. So to actually enable your automatic daily backups, what you need to do is go to settings. From here, you can see there are two options. Files, backup, schedule. By default, it's set to manual, but we want to set it to automatic. So we are going to click on this drop down and select daily. So the backups will be made daily. And it also tells us how many scheduled backups we want. We can set it to 4, 2 times, or how many times you need. And for the database backup schedule, we are going to set it to daily as well and retain how many files you want. We can make it 2, we can make it 4, it's up to you. Next, we want to choose where we want to store our backup. We can store it to Updraft Vault, FTP, Dropbox, Microsoft Azure, pCloud, Amazon S3, and there are many more options, but we are going to choose Google Drive. Now, if you have chosen Google Drive, you still have to connect your Google Drive to your WordPress website. So you have to sign in with Google, and then you can assign the folder where you want to store your backups. And you can also choose what you want to include in your backups. If you want to include plugins, themes, uploads, must-use plugins, you can choose what you want, and that's about it. Then we can click on Save Changes, and that is how you can set up automatic backups in WordPress using UpdraftPlus. Note that we still haven't signed into our Google Drive, but you can do that quite easily just by clicking over here. Now, to restore your backups, you can simply go to this Backup and Restore, and from here you can see all your backups. So all the backups are shown over here. To restore these, you can simply click on this Restore button, and it's going to take you to this section, and then you can select what you want to restore. So you can select all of these and then click on next and follow the process to restore your website. So that was a quick tutorial on how you can set up automatic daily backups using UpdraftPlus. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.